Today I would be discussing our project Muller's Residence, which is across a plot area of 5,000 square feet located in Pudukkottai, Tamil Nadu. My name is Architect Santosh from Shanmugam Associates that has offices in Trichy and Chennai. Before I start, please note that you can download the full PDF ebook of this house with detailed floor plans, photos and fact file from buildofy.com, and the link is mentioned in the description below. We designed this house for a doctor couple and their 10-year-old son. The requirements were pretty straightforward. Privacy was essential as they work for long, odd hours. They wanted a 4-bed house with a media room, gym and kitchen, and basic Vastu considerations to be included. The site is about 100 feet by 60 feet and it is north facing. When we first visited the site, there was an existing 20-foot tall perimeter wall on the eastern side that ran up to half the site. So that kind of became a parameter to start working with. Also, there was an existing flowering tree at the site entry which we had retained. We planned the massing such that there are two major volumes oriented in the north-south direction. The volume near the entry has public space like living, and the rear one houses the bedrooms. By doing this, we created 3 gardens that intersperse between these volumes. A horizontal volume in the western side ties everything together. All services and circulation were planned here. We wanted to keep the facade as simple and open as possible, but also achieve privacy. So we tried using vertical louvers. The louvers are backed by glass in living areas and are left open in garden spaces. Even the car parking gate is a perforated rolling shutter. We thought these kind of openings and perforations would be a little more inviting than blank surfaces. There were 3 gardens. The central garden abutted the existing neighbor's perimeter wall, which was around 20 feet high. So we thought this would be the ideal location for the pool as it offered privacy. Eventually this pool became the central courtyard to the house. The bedrooms, dining and all living areas have use of the pool. The rear garden is a rectangular space about the size of a badminton court. This could be used for some outdoor play and small private parties. In retrospect, we feel this building could be COVID friendly. I say this because all the bedrooms and living areas open up on 2 sides, either to a garden or a pool. These openings offer natural cross ventilation and lighting. All the other programs like say the living, dining, media room and gym have garden on at least one side. A gym which opens into a small terrace garden is located in the first floor. This small terrace garden overlooks in turn to the northeastern lily pond and garden in the ground floor. We have also created small 3-feet garden pockets abutting the shower in all the toilets. We wanted to use locally available manpower as much as possible. So we made sure most of the construction team was from Pudukkottai, except for a few who were from Trichy. We have tried to balance the requirements of an urban home with that of a farmhouse in this project. In case you have any design queries, post them in the comment section below. I would be happy to respond to them as much as possible.